Today I'm going to do a unboxing and a short review on the Makita cordless blower Dub182Z. It's a small cordless 18 volt blower. Here's the nozzle. It's not plastic, it's rubber, which is good.
It's rubber?
It's good because I have a Skil corded blower that's plastic and it broke already and I had to do some repairs on it. And here is the blower itself, and there's nothing else in the box. So to put this on, this has two little digits sticking up in it. And they go down in here when you put it on.
You already see that.
So when you put it on, you insert it where the divots are at, like this, and then you rotate it. Okay, then it'll come off. So this is what it looks like. It's not that big.
It's very handy.
It's kind of light when you put the battery. It's kind of top heavy when you put the battery on.
100 battery now.
Balance it out.
Right there.
So has a control setting, 1, 2, and 3 on the dial. And right here, it also, you can hook this on and it sucks. And this part blows.
Ah, it does. Where is the hose for sucking?
We use this one.
Try put it there.
And some of them actually come with a bag.
Put it there.
But
where's no free bag?
like that.
Ah, that's double purpose, right?
It sucks and blows like a girl I used to date in high school. And here is a 18 volt battery.
Is that
now this was the bare tool. It did not come with this battery. I have other Makita tools and I get batteries. I have a lot of, I think I have like 5 or 6 of these batteries. So there's no need for me to buy a battery because I have so many.
So you have to buy a battery for just for that.
But if you don't have a battery, you're going to have to buy a battery or buy one of these that comes with a battery. But the bare tool is a little over 2,000 pesos. But the batteries themselves are a bit pricey. I mean, this battery is going to cost more than the tool.
How much that battery before?
So,
3.5, right?
and then you put the battery on like this here, and just slide it on. It locks in. Some batteries have an indicator to show how much power is left in the battery. This one don't. And when you put the battery on, it gets heavier, but it levels out. It don't got that top heavy anymore. But it's not bad to hold. And then with setting number 1.
Where's the setting? You have to show it here.
No, that's setting number 3. This is setting 1. The arrow, that's 1. Very light. And here's 2. A little bit stronger. And here's 3, full power.
3 on it, the settings.
Yeah, it's just 3 settings.
How to turn that one? Just push that
just
up and down.
Yeah, just turn it. It's just a turn dial. So this is a great blower to have. You can clean your tools, blow dust, sawdust off your tools. You can clean your yard with it if you want to blow. It's not like a big leaf blower. You can blow like small things with it.
I'm gonna blow that tomorrow if it's not raining. The leaves. I use that Skil for cleaning the yard, blowing leaves because it's hard to sweep. It's big yard.
Yeah, she was using the Skil blower, but it's corded, so it's harder to use with that cord, and you can't get everywhere, and it's drag a big cord behind.
Yeah.
So that's why I got this one.
Wow, thank you, lab. Make my work easier.
And like I said, it's not a big leaf blower. If you get one that's going to blow leaves and everything else, it's going to be a lot more
to clean your
expensive than
machine
this.
outside. It's covered with dust.
And this is easier to handle. Pop a battery in it. Battery is always at hand. Clean anything you want with it without getting the cord hung up on everything. So this is a great buy. 18 volt. So if you want one, then you can.
The battery is supposed to be 18 volt.
Yes, 18 volt.
You can't buy lesser than 18 volt.
No, it's 18. It
has
runs
to.
on 18 volts. 18 volt battery. But like I said, these batteries, I mean, if you buy 1 or 2 tools and get a battery like this, I mean, you're doing pretty good already. I've bought quite a few tools, and I could have bought the bare tool and other things that I've purchased, but I chose to get the battery so I could stockpile some batteries up. But this has been a review.
That mower you have, right, runs with battery, right?
Yeah, I have a weed eater also, Makita, that runs on a battery. And this has been the review of the Makita Dub182Z Cordless blower.
Okay, blow Ciara's hair for a sample. Try one first.
I'll blow these.
That's number one?
Yeah.
Number two. Ciara's hair! Blow it good!
2.
3.
3.
That's a good hair blower when you bath.
I also use it as a hair dryer.
Yeah, hair dryer.
Just found out a new use for it, a hair dryer.
Yep,
And also, if you press the button, even if it's on number 3, if you press the button lightly, it won't blow all the way hard. The harder you press the button, the stronger it will get. So you're not dedicated to the actual button. So anyway, like I say, this has been the review of the 18V Makita Dub182Z Cordless blower.
I'm gonna try that tomorrow, like I said.
I want my hair outside.
And if you enjoyed the review, hit like and subscribe and make a comment. Kind or nasty, either way. If it's a kind one, I'll leave it on there. If it's a nasty one, I'll block it. But if you want one, go back. Thank you for watching. Okay, now here we are outside doing a test with the Makita blower 18V.
Ready for an action with this muscle. We try first on this stove. Oh, that's the seat 1. We set this one into 3.
It's already on 3.
Well, how come it's long?
Pushing the trigger hard enough. Works good. Even gets those spider webs that come back every single day. Don't blow that dust this way. There's a whole lot of dust on the end of the table.
Yes, how do I open it for? How are you gonna move that?
Try the leaves. Let's see how this one.
There's a whole lot of dust on the end of that table.
Oh, yeah.
Stop! Let me go!
Don't video it. Now we're blowing the leaves. Let's see. Blowing power of the Skil, but the Skil you have to use the cord. This one is cordless,
Well,
but the power is not as strong.
Well, anything that's cooked into electricity is going to have more power.
Right.
Yeah, but for easy getting around, it's that one.
Everywhere you want to go, you can use this one, but the Skil, you have pull, I like 50 50 feet, 50 meters long of water run out. It's good enough, but the blowing power is slow because we got 3 right, we still have
6.
7
6 or 8.
7 or 8. This is how long the wire you needed if you use the electric blower. This is our front yard. That we use 2 sets of. What's that, love? I forgot the name, love. Extension cord. Okay. Now my husband gonna compare the Makita cordless and the Skil electric.
The Makita Cordless Dub182 blower compared to the corded Skil 8600. This one has 3 settings. 1, 2, 3. This one has 7 settings.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No cord, cord. Cordless first. I'm testing these at full power. I'm not going to test the lower power setting.
Wait, I'll stop.
Okay.
I'll go in the front.
Now the Skil. And now the cordless. Now the Skil.
Okay.
And this one wins, even though this one is more powerful because this one is already hung up and I can't go any farther. This one ends here. This one can go on around the yard.
But you have to pull around the extension. We don't have a long straight
So if
extension.
you're going over here,
Even you got long extension, you still pull it and it's get hung up somewhere. So that's how it
this
works.
one wins out for light work, not heavy work. This one wins out for light yard work just because you can take it anywhere you want to take it. The power, if you want the power, you have to go for it. Or wait till they come, or get a bigger version of these.
There's a bigger version that.
Makita actually has a larger version of this, which costs about 8 times more than this one. That runs on 2 batteries, 2 18-volt batteries. It's 32
Almost
volts.
more expensive.
So it will be as powerful, or almost as powerful as that one. But you're gonna pay for it. But if you get that one, you're gonna pay for it. And I don't think that one. And I already checked the price. It's like $24,000 basically.
That's $25.
So it's
How much that one? $500? So expensive.
anyway, so this one wins out because just take it around the yard anywhere you want it. And there's not that, and what am I going to be blowing with this thing that I need something so powerful that you could raise a hot air balloon with it? Nothing.
That's the end. Talk.
So that's the end of the test of these, and like I said, this is great for small work. But heavy duty work, you either want the 32 volt or just buy a corded one of those, the big extension cord. But with me working in shop areas, that corded one's fine. But my wife wants to do yard work with one, so this is it.
It's hard to sweep. My arm wore out. It's a long yard covered with a lot of trees around here. Look at the trees there. Trees. And around back, there's trees around back also.
I don't believe it. I
I need a blower
That's a blower.
and big mouth.
Big mouth.
And
Mine.
the miner dogs.
What kind of mouth?
The blabbermouth. And main dogs. And a yippy one. Right there.